Good afternoon, friends. I messed up, all right? Well, I messed up, but first let me introduce myself. If this is your first time here, I'm Steph. Welcome to the channel. I'm so happy you're here. But I messed up. I mess up a lot. I went the wrong way. I always think like I can find places without a map if I can keep a river on one side of me or a train track. But then we end up in a situation like this where I am looking for a cave that is under one of the remaining trestle bridges on the Death Railway. I'm on the wrong side of it though. I found it, but this is not how you actually get to the cave, I don't think. Oh, dagnabbit, have I done it? Have I done it? Have I successfully navigated? Maybe, let's check it out. We've been hanging out at this railroad the last couple of days. 425 kilometers, built by POWs, still operational today. But there's supposed to be a really cool cave on this side of the mountain. But again, I don't think I can get to it from this way. I got distracted by dirt roads. And if I have a motorbike and I see a dirt road, I have to go down the dirt road. And apologies to the wonderful woman at OK Motorcycle Rental in Kanchanaburi. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for what I did with your verses, but it's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Is this where the tour starts? Kind of janky ass. It's so hot, I think I messed up regardless. I wouldn't have had to walk so far had I gone the other way. See, this is a couple of days on the motorbike. I'm spoiled. I'm spoiled from walking. I took the day off yesterday, I still walked 10 miles. But today, I'm being cranky, it's hot, my neck is sunburned. What am I gonna do? Wear a long sleeve shirt? No, it's too hot. All right, so we've come from way over there. And then we gotta go way over here. These tracks only get used twice a day, I think, so not too dangerous. Okay. It's, what time is it? It's 1:30. I think the train doesn't get into Kanchanaburi until like 3, so I think we're okay. We might have to go for a little jump. Which is fine if you're like right here, but what happens if you're over here? That's blocking something. That was maybe an entrance to the cave at some point. Right, walking over that was worth this view. Let's finish up at the other side and we can find that cave finally. literally just got in the cave. No joke, guys. I've been here for 2 minutes, and what do I hear? But this bad boy. We literally just made it before the train. That's pretty cool. Kasai Cave. K-A-S-A-E. Kasi. I know, there's a lady in there. This bridge was built in only 17 days. And the workers rappelled down from the top of the cliff to set the set the beams. They did the entire span of this bridge that we walked across in 17 days during the push when the Japanese were really pushing for construction. That was the hardest time for the POW laborers and for the Thai and Burmese laborers too. The cool, steady air in here is quite a relief. It is very, very, very hot. It's about 97 Fahrenheit right now. The sun is directly overhead. So, as a lot of caves become Buddhist temples, and so has this one. So it's really beautiful. So be respectful of people practicing their religion and of the religious iconography, but still show you guys around a little bit. So Kasi seems to be the pronunciation of the name of the cave. So we'll work with that. Kasi. I can imagine that the engineers of the Japanese military would have been stationed in here. It makes sense to be working on the bridge out there. And I mean, it would have been a welcome relief from the heat for them, but I hope that the guys doing that 18-hour day hard labor building that bridge in 17 days got to enjoy it a little bit too. I hear some bats. Totally not sketchy, totally not sketchy, totally not sketchy. Ooh, it's a little stinky in here. Oh yeah, really, the air's really heavy, really damp, a little bit of ammonia. I think from the few bats that do live here. Little shrine with Fanta and water. It looks like that's the end of the road. It's a little bit underwhelming as far as caves go, but I mean, I'm happy to be in any cave at any time, but it's a little underwhelming. But scenic, oh, I mean, location, location, location. You get the smallest cave in the best location, that's how you win. That's a poopy. That's so much poopy. There is an active drip coming down. It's leaving minerals here, calcium or something. That's really, really neat. It's making new parts of the cave. So this is actually how you actually are supposed to get here, is this way. But I had more fun doing it my way, right? Not too bad view here. We have sunflowers. Oh, and that river. I tell you what, when I get back to my hotel tonight, I haven't been in that river yet because it's kind of a little bit gross, but I'm going in today. I don't care. It's too hot. I'm going in. I'm gonna stop here at the little croissant restaurant. I don't know. Gonna get a drink and then head back over the bridge, back to the bike. Croissant station. Not too much going on. But the staff is keeping an eye on things. Security is always on the lookout. Hello, sir. All loaded up on cold drinks. Could also load up on anything else you wanted. Thailand's wonderful. Cannabis was recently legalized, so they're kind of getting the feel for it, how that works business-wise and all that good stuff. But it's interesting because you have, like, in the big cities, places that are trying to be like really like a Western dispensary like you'd have in the US or Canada. And then there's just people selling the stuff that they've been growing their whole lives on the side of the street, which is pretty cool too. I think that's where I'm gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna head back over the bridge. I might put you in some video for that. If I fall off the bridge, I'll bring you with me. Other than that, I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna drink a Coke, drink a cold water, and then head back. So, not the best cave in the world, but still pretty cool. And an adventure on a rickety-ass bridge that was built in 17 days in 1942 by prisoners of war. So, pretty impressive that it's still standing. Thank you so much for coming with me. I hope you come back because I like bringing you places. I'm Steph. If like, subscribe, all that stuff. And thank you so much. Goodbye. I love you.